Hello students, let's try to understand the difference between extensive and intensive properties. So first one, let's try. Extensive properties are dependent on the amount of the substance present. They can be easily be identified. Size of the extensive property changes. It can be computed volume, size, mass, length, and weight of the some example of the extensive properties. To make the understand intensive and extensive properties are different from each other, here are some major difference between extensive and intensive properties. Intensive properties do not depend on the amount, student, that keep in mind. Intensive independent of the properties. Extensive depends dependent properties. Size does not change in intensive properties. Extensive properties size change. It cannot be computed. It can be computed. It can be easily identified. Cannot be easily identified. Melting point, that is intensive properties. Color, intensive properties. Ductility, intensive properties. Conductivity, intensive properties. Pressure, intensive properties. Boiling point, intensive. Luster, intensive. Freezing point, intensive. Point, freezing point, intensive. Odor, intensive. Density, intensive. Example, that is extensive: length, mass, weight, and volume. These are the extensive, that is length, mass, weight, volume. These are the extensive properties. So these are the answers to it. Thank you so much for watching, friends.